This compact Dyson handheld vacuum cleaner is powerful and portable. With hygienic bin emptying, you can expel all of the dust and debris you've captured with no hassle. Press the button to release it directly into the bin, all whilst keeping your hands well out of the way. Dyson's cultivated advanced cyclone technology is designed to increase and optimise airflow. This enhances the suction and captures finer dust particles, keeping your home spotless and free from microscopic debris and allergens. The handy cleaning tools are provided to make cleaning easier, especially when encountering the more difficult to reach areas. Whether it's cleaning shelves or narrow crevices, never worry about missing a spot. Ideal for cleaning around the house or even the upholstery in your car, this Dyson handheld vacuum cleaner provides immaculate results.